is going to be increasingly smaller, so that private money, this is Africa's century. Make the African citizen empowered, seize the moment of the generations, gender, and regions. As the African Continental Free Trade Area, Afrexim Bank, and one area which has worked for us in Kenya is the public-private partnerships to fund roads, energy, and other infrastructure projects which are key to facilitate trade. So other than coordination, the next issue is on partnerships. And I'm sure going forward, we're going to have a bit of more private sector money in providing public sector services, and the dichotomy between the public and the private sector is going to be increasingly smaller, so that private money can be invested to offer public services, because the space for the public sector to raise revenue is shrinking.